Well, hi there. Welcome back to Andy's Speed Shop. Today, we got a package from Delkevic. Never heard of them? Australian company. They produce exhaust systems for motorcycles. Today, we're gonna put a Delkevic exhaust system on my 2009 Suzuki V-Strom. Let's unbox this bad boy. Oh. Okay. You see, this company, they get me because they sent a whole sticker set. That's a set of stickers. All right? To win my heart over, all you gotta do is send me some stickers. Oh my gosh. I got all kinds of stickers. I'm into it. Good job. I'm already a fan. I've never heard the exhaust, but I'm a fan. We'll do a before sound clip and an after sound clip, and I'll show you the install. Hopefully it goes smoothly, huh? jump forward in time a little bit. A few cuts and scrapes later, maybe a curse word here or there. It's in. The whole kit is 14 pounds shipped. So it's probably a little less than 14 pounds installed. This, pretty heavy. Looks better. Probably, hopefully gonna sound better. Let's see, shall we? Now I'm going to slip that baffle out and we'll try it that way. There it is. Well, I can tell it's deeper immediately. You don't have that restriction. It's hollow the whole way down. We can't forget the easiest part of the install, and probably my favorite part.